I wanted to make this video to honor all the mothers out there, and especially the 3 generations of moms. My mother, Marie. This is me, Moi, better known as the baking diva. And of course, my beautiful daughter, Dawn, whose middle name is Marie, and she was named after my mother. Here are my 2 proudest accomplishments, my son Scott and my daughter Dawn. And here are the 2 of them when they were little. Everyone thought they were twins. And of course, my little baby girl, Cinnamon. And here's Jason, Dawn, and their 2 proudest accomplishments, Aaron and Jake. And here's Mom with Aaron and Jake. My grandsons Jake and Aaron brought me a beautiful bouquet of roses. So pretty. After all, you have to stop and smell the roses, right? We were so thankful it turned out to be a nice day. So here's me and Dawn posing for some pictures, and then we moved inside for a little bit to take a few more. And here I am on the back patio with my grandsons Jake and Aaron. And here's my son-in-law Jason with my little girl Cinnamon. She is such a sweetheart. I don't know if you can see it here, but she has one black eye and one blue eye. We didn't do anything fancy. We ate outside on the enclosed back porch. We had some hors d'oeuvres. There's my son Scott sneaking some of them. We had chicken franchise, which was delicious. And then we had homemade potato, macaroni, salad, and coleslaw. And we had a 3-foot Italian sub. And here's the boys by the bar mixing up some dirty Dr. Pepper drinks. And here's Jason's dad, Jerry, getting another piece of the sandwich. Scott had the recipe for the Dr. Pepper and Sprite dirty drinks, they called them. They were non-alcoholic, but the kids had fun making them. I went outside to sit in my egg chair to get a few rays of the sunshine. And every year we celebrate my daughter Dawn's birthday, which is May 4th, and Aaron's, which is May 16th, on Mother's Day. Ready, set, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aaron and Dawn. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
I'm ready.
Make a wish.
Aaron's shoulder.
Yay! I'm sure you'll all agree that this is one of the shortest videos I've ever made, but I did want to come on and wish all the moms a happy Mother's Day and to share my day with you. So anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hopefully will see you next week. Toodles!